This motorcycle arrives with no documents, no ownership records, and no clear history. Only a faded frame number and layers of rust covering nearly every surface. Based on its condition, it had likely been abandoned for years, possibly exposed to moisture and neglect without any maintenance. And today, the goal is simple: to bring this Kawasaki Z1000 back into working condition through a complete restoration process. The overall state of the bike is severely degraded. The exterior is covered in corrosion, the fuel tank shows heavy rust both inside and outside, the wiring harness is brittle with multiple broken connectors, the tires are completely unusable, the braking system is worn and oxidized, and most importantly, the engine is completely seized with no sign of movement, indicating internal damage and long-term inactivity. The restoration begins with the full disassembly, starting from the outer components and moving inward. The seat and fuel tank are removed first to expose the main frame and internal structure, followed by the removal of side panels and electrical components, many of which are stuck in place due to corrosion and require the use of penetrating oil to loosen them, although several bolts are beyond recovery and must be cut off entirely, adding time and complexity to the process. The exhaust system is heavily rusted and proves difficult to detach, requiring careful force to avoid damaging mounting points, and once removed, attention shifts to extracting the engine, which is both heavy and completely locked, showing no rotation even under applied force, confirming that a full internal rebuild will be necessary. With all major components separated, a detailed inspection is carried out. The frame, despite surface rust, remains structurally sound, which is critical for the restoration to proceed, while the suspension components show clear signs of wear, including leaking seals and reduced performance. The braking system is compromised, with worn discs and degraded calipers, and the electrical system is in poor condition, requiring either extensive repair or full replacement. Internally, the engine presents the most significant challenge, as initial inspection reveals contamination, likely from degraded oil and moisture intrusion, which will require complete disassembly and cleaning. The cleaning phase begins with removing years of accumulated dirt, grease, and rust from every individual component. Mechanical methods such as wire brushing and sanding are used for larger parts, while smaller and more delicate components are treated with chemical solutions to dissolve corrosion without causing further damage. This step is time-consuming but essential, as proper cleaning ensures that all parts can be accurately assessed and restored. The fuel tank undergoes multiple cleaning cycles to eliminate internal rust and debris, ensuring that it will not contaminate the fuel system once the bike is operational again. The engine restoration is the most complex part of the process, requiring full disassembly down to its core components. Once opened, the internal condition confirms severe degradation, with old oil transformed into thick sludge, bearings worn beyond usability, and seals completely deteriorated. Each component is carefully cleaned, measured, and evaluated, with damaged parts replaced as necessary to ensure proper function. New gaskets and seals are installed throughout, and all moving parts are lubricated and reassembled with precision, as even minor errors at this stage could result in failure once the engine is restarted. Attention to detail is critical, and every tolerance is checked to ensure the engine can operate reliably. Following the engine rebuild, the frame and external components are restored. The frame is fully sanded to remove all traces of rust before receiving a fresh protective coating, while other metal parts are either polished or repainted depending on their condition. This not only improves the appearance of the motorcycle, but also provides long-term protection against future corrosion. At the same time, the suspension system is refreshed with new seals, and the braking system is rebuilt to ensure safe operation, including replacing worn components and restoring proper functionality. Reassembly begins once all parts are restored and ready. The engine is carefully reinstalled into the frame, followed by the systematic reconnection of the wiring system, ensuring all electrical connections are secure and functional. New fluids are added, including engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid, and the fuel system is reassembled with cleaned components. New tyres are installed to replace the old, unusable ones, and the braking system is fully tested to confirm responsiveness. Every bolt is tightened to the correct specification, ensuring that all components are securely in place and aligned properly. With the motorcycle fully reassembled, the final stage is to bring it back to life. Power is connected, fuel is introduced into the system, and all checks are completed to ensure readiness. The starter is engaged and the engine begins to turn, initially struggling due to its long period of inactivity, but after a few moments it stabilizes and finally runs. marking the successful completion of the restoration process. However, the work does not end here, as a test ride is necessary to confirm that all systems are functioning correctly under real conditions. The motorcycle is taken out for its first run, and the engine response is closely monitored, along with braking performance, suspension behavior, and overall handling. At first, the ride is kept controlled and steady to identify any potential issues, but as confidence builds, the bike begins to perform as expected, with smooth acceleration, stable handling, and consistent braking. This final step confirms that the restoration is complete, transforming what was once a rusted and abandoned machine into a fully functional Kawasaki Z1000 ready to return to the road.